talk show. This is Ranchi.
Yeah.
How are you doing today?
Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Prakash Pandey. I'm working as a scientist at Central Tassa Research and Training Institute, Ranchi. I'll be here. I'll be happy to know the many questions if you ask related to Tassa silk industry. To
Yes,
whatever
sir.
you, yeah.
Sir, today we'll be discussing the weaving industry, especially the journey of silk from silkworm to the finished fabric. Sir, I know that you have a lot of experience in this industry, so I am very excited to learn more about this industry from you. So, shall we begin?
Yes, we can start now.
So, let's start.
Yes. Yes.
My first question is about silkworm rearing. What are the key factors involved in successfully rearing healthy silkworms from egg hatching to cocoon formation?
Yeah. First of all, if you want to see it a successful rearing, you should have the quality DFLs, that is known as disease-free layings. Means your success of the rearing will depends on the what quality seed you are getting from the basic seed multiplication centers. And second very important point is that you need to have very healthy and good quality of the food plants. Food plants, as we know that Tasar silkworm feeds on the Terminal Arjuna, Terminal tomentosa, and Soria robusta. Means leaves of the Tasar silk worm host plants must be very good. Then only you can get the good harvest of the cocoons. And during the life cycle of insect, you'll be surprised to know that when insect will initiate their life cycle, the weight of the silkworm will be around 10 mg, 8 to 10 mg. But after completion of their larval period, they will attain the body weight of around 40 grams. Okay, and during their life cycles, insect will feed around 320 grams of the Tassar silkworm leaves. After completion of the this larval period, they will spin the cocoons. Like one silkworm will be able to spin around 1.5 kilometer of the silk thread. After completion of this Tassar silkworm spinning, they will form a cocoons that is known as cocoon cell, and those cocoons will be harvested from the field and followed by their utilization in making the silk fabric. This is the as a whole the process of the Tassa silkworm, starting from rearing to the silk cocoon formation.
Thank you, sir, for the informative answer. Now I will be asking my second question, which is related to cocoon harvesting and silk extraction. After the silkworms have completed their life cycle, how are the cocoons harvested and silk fibers extracted?
Yeah, generally what happens is Tassa silkworm cocoons are very hard in nature. Presently in our laboratory, what we have developed, we are using the enzyme. That one enzyme is that is known as trypsin, and second is pipin enzymes. By using that particular enzymes, we what in this process what we used to do it, we'll take the 2 liters of the water. After that, we keep the 20 cocoons inside the water, and we'll add 5 to 8 grams of the this trypsin or pipin enzymes, and we'll soak the cocoon for the overnight. And next, because cocoon contains two very important protein. One is sericin and second is fibrin. Sericin is that glue protein, and fibrin is nothing but the thread, silkworm threads. Uh, what happens that for spinning, for reeling purpose, we need to spin the. We need to perform the spinning. For that, the cocoon must be softened. Once this softened cocoon will be used, then only we can perform the reeling aspect. That's why after softening, we used to take the threads by using the various types of machine. First machine is that reeling charkha machine. Second is solar operated machines. And after one by one, the thread will come, and the by using the 5 threads, one more thread will be created, and that thread will be utilized for the making the what you call cloths, fabrics, and other things.
Wow, sir, what a great answer. Sir. Now I'm going to be telling my third question that is related to silk processing and yarn creation. So, once silk fibers of obtained, what steps are taken to process them into silk yarn for weaving?
Yeah, actually what we used to do it, once we'll get the thread, like to prepare the 1 meter of cloths, around 100 grams silk required, 50 to 100 grams silk requires. Okay, and 50 to get the 50 gram of the silk, we need to sacrifice the at least 50 cocoons. We need to utilize 50 cocoons, and from that particular cocoons we'll reel out the reeled yarn. By using the reeled yarn, that fabrics will be prepared. After that, after preparation of fabrics, they will go for the bleaching and followed by the what you call coloring the particular fabrics by using the natural dye. Here I need to mention that this Tassa silkworm is Tassar silk is organic in nature. So during the process of this coloring of the threads also, they use the natural dye. Natural dye means they use flowers extract. They used to have the turmeric, and second thing, they used to use the lag dye also. By using all those natural products, even sometimes they use onion extract also. So by using these natural products, the Tassa silkworm thread will be colored. You can see it in this what you call in video,
Wow,
various types of the colorful what you call threads, silkworm threads. And by using these threads only, you can see that. But one thing I want to mention that here you have two kind of, one is a natural color and second is that colored ones. But there is lot of demand for this natural color of silk, because people prefer to use this natural color. And although we have various types by using onion, lag dye, here you have seen the lag dye has been used. This silk, by coloring this silk threads, lag dye has been used. Like after using lag dye, this color will come. Even you can differentiate color also. And here turmeric has been used. You can see that natural. Okay, and this what you call, once you use this natural color, the whatever cloths will be prepared, that will be organic in nature, and that will be very what you call good for wearing. You can see the fabrics also. This the different types of fabrics prepared by using the tassar silkworm threads. And here
wow.
no chemical dye has been used. You can see the different color also. I brought this various color of fabrics also. This is
That
various
is
color
so
of fabric.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. And here also you can see the one more color. Okay.
Wow,
And
sir, what
I
has been
just
using
1
this?
minute. I'll show you some of the cocoons also. And here outside cover which you are seeing, that this is nothing but the combination of silk thread. And this tassar silkworm only, they will spin this particular cocoons. And from this cocoons only, after reeling, these threads will be prepared. Okay, this is threads. You can see here natural color of the silk, which is obtained by using this cocoons also. This is the threads, and this is cocoons,
So,
silkworm
what is
cocoons.
inside the cocoons?
Yeah, inside the cocoons there will be pupa. You can see the pupa inside that, and that from that pupa, adult emergence will occur. Adult means to continue their life cycle. That mother moth and what you call male moth has to emerge,
Means the
so
silkworm
that,
is actually the larvae of the silk moth.
yeah.
The silkworm is actually a larvae of the silk
No,
moth.
no, no, no. This is pupal stage. This is pupal stage.
Yeah.
This will silkworm is pupa stage. The inside this cocoons pupa will be there. Okay, I can show you just 1 minute. I can show some of the pupae also. This is silkworm pupae.
So that means that their life cycle is very similar to that of a butterflies.
Yeah, after end to the butterfly will come from this pupa only. This is pupal stage. This one butterfly will come, and male and female mating will occur, and followed by the seed preparation. Okay,
Oh,
they will lay
that's so
the
interesting.
eggs, and yeah, and their larval life cycle will be around 30 to 35 days. This pupal life cycle will be around 15 days, and their butterfly lifespan will be 7 to 8 days. Okay, but a very important aspect by Tassa silk industry to get the this particular cocoons. For one cocoons here farmers will get 3 to 4 rupees, 3 to 4 rupees from one cocoons. And once they will harvest around 10,000 to 20,000 cocoon, they can get around 60 to 80,000 from by selling these cocoons. One cocoon cost will be around 3 to 4 rupees.
That means one cocoon is very cheap.
Yeah, very cheap. But farmers used to perform the rearing in large scale. Okay, and the beauty of this Tassa silk industry is that while doing all their family work, they can perform this rearing easily in outdoor condition on the plants of the Arjun, Asan, and Sal. Okay, means there will be no much expenses, and this is environment friendly also. Here we are not going to use any fertilizer. Whatever silk will be produced, that will be organic in nature. We are not going to use any what you call fertilizers. That's why Tassar silkworm, which will be collected from the field, like jungles and other places, that will be organic in nature. Although we have another part of economic plantation, there also they used to perform the Tassar silkworm rearing. Their fertilizer will be used. But here, whatever cocoons collected from the jungles, that will be totally organic in nature.
Wow, that's so nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
this is the silkworm threads. Yeah, various colors. You can see that three colors here.
So,
Yeah.
so there you have fiber.
Yes.
So that means they have fiber inside them, and apart from this, the beauty of
Yeah.
silkworms is that their cloth is used to make so many things. In
Yeah.
ancient times, royalty was allowed to wear cloth, the silk, but the poor people were not allowed.
Yeah. Here, the poor peoples are getting around in India around 3.5 lakhs people are associated with Tasar silk industry. Okay, Tasar silk and particularly in Jharkhand state, around 2.2 lakhs people are associated with Tasar silk industry, and they are getting good earning while doing the Tasar culture and fabric preparation and all. Like one silk sari, quality silk sari will be around 20,000, 15 to 20,000 here in India.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, and
So,
one thing I'll try to mention about this the beauty of this Tassa silk industry. First very important point of this industry is that flow of money will be from the rich to poor. Here there is no much mechanization occurs. Like everything is dependent on the manpower. That's why the money flow will come from the rich people to poor people, because only rich people will wear the silk, and the money, whatever money they will get it, that will come to the farmers level. That is very first important point. And second is that this is eco-friendly industry. Here we promote the plantation. And third very important point is that this Tasar silk industry helps poorest of the poor people of the society. That is ultimate aim of the this industry, because around 3.5 lakhs people are associated with this industry. Those people are very poor. Even some of the people they are, after getting this Tassa silk rearing, they have started sending their children to schools. They have constructed good houses, they have purchased vehicles also. So there is a lot of reforms occurs in their lives. That is very important. And as a whole institution, we are working for the farmers, and now lot of changes has occurred in the life of the farmers, and they are getting good earnings out of the Tasar silkworm while performing Tasar silkworm rearing, seed preparation, as well as fabric preparation.
so now we are moving on to the fourth and last question, weaving techniques and design. So, how do weavers use different weaving techniques to create intricate patterns and textures using silk yarn? And how do the interactions between silkworm farmers, silk producers, and even weavers contribute to the overall quality of the final silk products which are sold and bought in the market?
Okay, here we in Tasar Silkworm we have various locations. There we used to have the clusters of the Tasar silk. In that particular clusters, what industry person what they will do it. They will they will cook the cocoons in their houses. Afterwards, those cocoons they will provide to the weavers. Okay, and once those cocoons they will get it, afterwards they perform the weaving aspects and other things, like they have very systematic system for that. Like if they provide suppose what you call 1 kg of the silk, they have to get around 10 meters of the cloths. And based on the design, because that is a traditionally those family members they are very much involved, and they know the process very easily. What they wish to do it, this tasar silk, like in their family members they are doing from 100 to 100 years. Once they will get the design as well as the colorful silk yarn, as per the design they will perform the weaving. Okay, in their houses they have various types of the machines, and by using the machines and designs, whatever design they will expect it, they will get it, and based on the design they will make the fabrics. Afterwards, those fabrics they will sell in the local market. Okay, based on the per meter they will get the price based on the per meter cloth preparation. And afterwards those products will be exported also. And there is a lot of country, even Singapore also, they used to import the silk from the India, because the Indian silk, like especially tasar and muga silk, is very important in nature. And once they will export it, they will get very good price, because outside the country, that product, if their product will go, they will get very good price in that particular market. So that is a total scenario, starting from the soil to silk. In this particular scenario, one very important aspect, that with this industry we are helping the poorest of the poor people of the society. And there is lot of change occurred in their particular life because of this tasar silkworm reeling, as well as the fabric preparations, and followed by the selling in the open market. Okay, and there are a big agency also, they are doing online marketing also. Yesterday I shared some of the video of the one of the very important government agency, that is Jharcraft as well as the Khadi. And those products will be very much available in that particular shops that is available throughout the country, as well as they even export this their product through Amazon, Flipkart, and other agency also. And any part of the country, any part of the world, they, if it requires, they can import it from the India, as well as that by using the this platform they can purchase. And whatever product will be purchased by the outsider, the lot of revenue will be generated in the India. Okay, and from that majority of benefits majority of benefits will go to the poorest of the poor people of the society. That is the beauty of this tasar silk industry.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such informative information. So, can you show me some of the machines and handlooms, and even in the colors of all the silk yarns that you use to weave cloth? Will you even show
Yeah,
me all the textures and designs?
yeah. See,
This was dyed with turmeric, I know.
turmeric. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is natural color.
Yes.
Here, lac dye has been used. Lac
Yes,
dye.
and it's red in color.
Yeah,
This one is from spinach extract.
yeah. And this is flowers. Palas flowers has been used for this. Palas, that is readily available,
It's a
locally
kind of,
available.
it's
This
also called forest
this
fire
silk yarn.
flower, as it sprouts out when a fire starts.
Yeah, no, this is a organic in nature, and this while using this silk only, they will perform the spinning and all.
Yes, can you show me the onion colored yarn?
Yeah, this is one more color.
Yes, and this is deep red. What color is
Yeah.
this? And what was used for this? Corn flour?
Now I'll show some of the fabrics also.
Sir, do you have machines to weave the
Hmm?
cloth and to weave the cloth out of the colored silk yarn?
Yeah, this is colorful silk. Yeah. One more color.
So this is pink.
Yeah.
What?
So, but one thing very important in this industry, there is still lot of demand for the natural color of the tussar silk. Okay,
What?
natural color, which I have shown you.
What?
Natural color of the tussar silk.
Okay, I get it.
Natural color is this. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So that means it's all perfectly plain color. No color has been added to it.
No,
That's
beauty of silk is that will be warm in
shiny.
the winter season, and
And
that
it's
will
very
be cool in
shiny and
summer season.
lustrous. But it can catch
Very
fire easily.
Yeah. And second very important point is that these two proteins, like this Tassar silkworm is made with two proteins, silk, sericin and fibrin. Okay, and this protein is having antimicrobial nature. Antimicrobial nature.
That means
That's why
it's
what
very
happens that
infested with microbes.
yeah, antimicrobial nature. And second very important point is that this helps in UV protection also. Okay, you know that there is a lot of problem is coming, like skin disease related aspects are there, and other problems are there. So, while using this cloth, at some extent, they can save themselves. This is very important point about this industry.
And apart from this, did you know that I have a loom at my home, which is small, and it's used for weaving woolen bracelets for you and your friends. So I am working on that. And apart from this, sir, I'm very happy to interview you today.
I'm very happy, and uh, I wish you all the best for your bright future. And you have interviewed well, and wish you all the best for your bright and very excellent future.
Okay, okay. Thank you, for your kind wishes,
Yeah. Okay.
and
All the
thank you for
best.
your time and patience too. Bye bye,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
both have a nice day.
Yeah. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. And
And
I
thank you,
am
sir.
very
Have a
sorry
nice.
if any connectivity.
No
There
problem.
is
It's okay.
connectivity problems. If any questions, I can even solve it later on also. Okay. Thank you once again. I wish you all the best. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir,
for
for
your
your time
team.
and patience, and
Bright
good.
future. Okay. Bye. Okay. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.